Hello viewers, Instagram call not working problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Instagram call not working problem. So let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all, go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps if available any update version. After completing the update process, now long press on Instagram apps. Click on App Info or I button. Now scroll down and go to Storage. Click on Clear Cache. Now go back and go to Permission. From here, allow all permission. After allowing all permission, now go back to home screen and restart your phone. After following all steps, now open Instagram and go to chat section. Try to call someone and see problem solved successfully. In this way, you can easily solve this problem. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.